Hey everybody, so this next video I'll be revealing my puzzle box from the Hellraiser movie. So it's not the actual puzzle box. What it is, it's a stash thing where you can put everything if you want in there. Basically, same metal as my Freddy and Jason lunchboxes, but yeah, there it is. Got that for Christmas in 2019, and I just remember I did forgotten to tell you guys on my Jeepers Creepers pop final. Just to be sure, I also got him for Christmas in 2019 as well. Same day I got this puzzle box, so I apologize I forgot to tell you guys where I got my Jeepers Creepers pop final, but I went ahead and brought that up in this video on my puzzle box. So yeah, so here it is. Nothing really on it. Well, it is just a puzzle box, really cool. And sadly, when I dressed up as Pinhead, which is, you guys saw my Pinhead mask on my YouTube channel, I dressed up as him in Halloween 2011. It came with no puzzle box, sadly. I'll show you guys the bottom. Alright, and there's nothing really in there. All it is. And yeah, as you can see, well, I took the sticker off. The part got a little sticky, but that's okay. But all there is, that's just this thing, try button thing from my Sam statues, and the Annabelle accessories have an extra Deca Ultimate Annabelle, which is, you guys will be seeing these real soon in the future when I do review. But I thought it's a good idea so you don't really lose these. I mean, nothing special though. Well, I prefer at least the plastic puzzle box to this, but however, I really do love it. So yes, don't forget, you guys, there will be some more videos I'll be reviewing here shortly in the next video, so see you guys there, and thanks for watching.